Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for November 23rd of 2025 is titled The Observable Universe. So, what do we see here? Well, here we see in one picture everything. This is the entire universe. Now, it's not at a uniform scale, so the central section is our solar system expanded greatly. And then, as we work our way out, we go to greater distances, with the outermost circle being the Big Bang, the origin of the universe itself. So we can see our solar system there with the 8 planets that are present, and then beyond that we see stars within our galaxy. And further beyond that, we start to see the ring of all the other galaxies, more distant galaxies, some of them larger that are closer to us, and smaller ones that are farther away. And as you get even farther away, you start to see the galaxies grouping into filaments. And we see that the universe does tend to group into these filaments with large voids in between them. And that is how the galaxies combine together. They all follow along these density areas of filaments, and that's where most of the matter is present. Now that includes ordinary visible matter that we see here, as well as dark matter that also fills this area. Now that would not be visible to us because by essence it is dark. It is completely not giving off any kind of light. Now, as we go further back, then we get just to particles, so before any stars even formed. And the last thing that we can see, the last thing that is visible to us, would be the cosmic microwave background. That is the remnant of the Big Bang itself, and really is the time when matter and radiation decoupled from each other. Prior to this, it was so hot that matter and energy were just transforming back and forth between the two forms. At this point, finally atoms formed and light was free to travel through the universe. And we're seeing the remnant of that in the cosmic background radiation that is present. That's sometimes what is known as the 3-degree cosmic microwave background radiation, which has now been stretched by universal expansion to very long radio wavelengths. However, when it formed, it could have been in visible light form. So the whole universe could have been completely bright in visible light. Now we see this remnant glow that is left behind that now is visible in radio waves. Now, further beyond the darker patch there at the very end, there are things there, but nothing that we can see or detect. What would be present there would be things like neutrinos, very low mass particles that are believed to have formed in the very early history of the universe, and gravitational waves would have occurred there as well. Now, those are things we simply cannot detect at this point. We can detect some kinds of gravitational waves, but the ones here would not yet be detectable. And the neutrinos, again, would be another confirmation of the Big Bang as the background radiation is, but is still something at this point that we are unable to detect. So here we get to see everything. This is everything in the universe, from our solar system to our galaxy, to nearby galaxies, to the very distant galaxies going back to the Big Bang, all in one image. So that was our picture of the day for November 23rd of 2025. It was titled The Observable Universe. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be a stellar shell game. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.